So I'm gonna try to do the dark feminine makeup, but I'm gonna try to keep it like a cool tone brown. Yeah. At least from what I'm seeing, they look like they have like highlighter on the tip of the nose. Why is it looking crooked? They seem like they have a lot of these peachy blushes, so that's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna use Say Beauty Dew Blush in shade Cutie. Is that a lot? I'm the problem. Yeah, I know. Like so. And then I'm going to use Go Go Tiles in shade G03 to take the highlighter part, dab it on. For brows, I'm seeing that they have naturally very like bushy, you know, thick brows. Let me just fake it. And while that dries down, I'm just gonna do the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this shade. And then I'm just gonna take this shade and this shade. Okay, this one and this one on that outer V. I'm just gonna go all along the bottom. I'm gonna take the darkest two shades. I'm just gonna go all along the bottom lash line. Am I too close? Probably should have done eyeshadow and then base. I feel like my brows are ready to be filled out. Oh, okay. Now it's time for eyeliner. I'm just gonna go all over the bottom lash line. I'm gonna take the darkest shade, go along the bottom to kind of diffuse the harshness. I'm going to take gray brown eyeliner. I take this black Aqua Resist Smoky Shadow from Makeup Forever. Blend it out. And now it's time for lashes. Am I done? People really need to use easier glue to remove for the fucking lashes. Because you're always so sticky and I don't like it. Okay. Now I'm just gonna set my face. Okay. I'm gonna draw in the Icosar shading. Like that. For lip liner, I'm seeing that they're using like brown, so I'm gonna use Sachu Peel Off Lip Liner Tattoo, Lip Liner Stain in shade Hazel. Kind of giving Chico. Alright, now we wait. I'll be back when this dries. I think she's ready. Okay, she's looking good. I think I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Cocoa Drizzle Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm. She's looking kind of cute. Who's that? Well, yeah, shit, this is the finished look. This was my version of the dark feminine makeup. I'm gonna go now.